Hi everyone, miss me? Welcome back to our channel. For those of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, and enjoy a fun and healthy lifestyle, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. For those of you who've been watching me for a while, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the support, the encouragement, the comments. I love all the engagement. Now let us talk about these contact lenses. So a few weeks ago I ordered the Black Monthly Edition Siesta Gray series. It looks like this. I'll show you guys up close. This is how it looks. I was super excited when I got these in the mail. I couldn't wait to get them because they come with 5 in a pack. Can you believe? And so I couldn't wait to get them, and I asked you guys on my community tab, I'll put it up right here, I asked you guys, did you want to see basically a 1-by-1 review of each contact lens, or did you want to see like all together, me reviewing the whole monthly series all together for the gray edition? And you all said, well, the majority said that you wanted to see 1-by-1. So I picked out the first pair, which we are going to talk about today. I'm going to be reviewing the Romance DIAN, D-I-A-N, however you want to pronounce it. I think it's the Romance DIAN. I'm going to be reviewing the lenses. These are the ones that I'm wearing right now. I'm going to be showing you how they look in natural light, and I'm going to be showing you, of course, how they look in room light, and talk about what I like and what I didn't like, and the price, of course, the color, and what I repurchased or not. You guys know the drill in all my videos, so keep on watching. So they came in this beautiful packaging. I was super excited. If you guys don't already know, they are $15. I've reviewed a few of the Siesta Black Edition contact lenses. I will link my playlist down below, and I'll also link some in the cards right here, so when you see them, you'll see like a little eye. Make sure you click on it and check out those reviews. They are 15 bucks. Shipping took about 2 to 3 weeks to get here. Not long at all. That's standard shipping. And I'll put the specifications up for these lenses right here. They are monthly editions, so as soon as you open the packaging, they're only good for 30 days. Yes, I know, that's actually a con of mine, that these are only 30-day lenses, because it would be nice if they were like 6-month lenses. Let's just talk about the color and everything else. So I'll put the specifications up. These are the lenses. This is the base curve and everything else. Check out their website. I'll put it here as well as down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out and you will see more information. They always have sales, so I think when I got these, they were only 12 bucks. Originally they were 15, but there was a sale going on, so there was a discount, so I got them for 12 bucks, and I used a fellow YouTuber's discount code since I don't have one with Color CL yet. Color CL, you should give me a discount code. Anyways, so I used a fellow YouTuber's discount code, so I only got it for 12 bucks plus shipping. It came out to about $18 or $19. So think about it, 5 lenses for like $18 or $19, when usually on their website each pair is about 15 bucks. So you're getting good bang for your buck. So I would highly suggest you check them out. They have the gray series, and they also have on their website the brown series. I was thinking about the brown series, but then I'm like, I already have some of their brown lenses, so I think buying the brown series would kind of be like no point for me, because I already have some of the lenses in there, whereas with the gray series, I only have like one other pair in here. And that's pretty much it. Like all the other 4 I don't have, so I thought it was better to get the gray series. And in one of my previous giveaway videos, I asked you guys what you wanted to see, and some of you said you wanted to see more grayish or bluish lenses on me, so here you go. So these are the lenses that I have on. Let us talk about the color. The color is very opaque. That is the first thing I noticed about these lenses when I got them and put them on. They are very opaque, meaning you cannot see any of my natural eye color. Here, I'll show you what my natural eyes look like up close. Now I'm going to show you what the lenses, of course, look like. And I'm also going to now show you side-by-side comparison. One in my natural eye and one with the Romance DIAN in my eye. Do you see what I'm saying? There is no, you cannot see any of the brown in my eye at all with these lenses. They are very opaque. You know how some of the lenses in their collection, I would say the creamy collection, they're kind of like thin. These lenses as well are a little bit, just a little bit thicker, but like the creamy collection they have, their lenses are so much thinner, and it almost like you can still see a little bit of your natural eye mixed in with the color of the lenses. Not with these. With these, they are very opaque, so if you have very, very dark eyes, I think these lenses, I think you're gonna love these lenses. If you're looking for like grayish blue, they look like a grayish blue in room light basically, or with a ring light. This is how they look. And now with natural light, you guys know how much I love natural light with lenses like these. They look gorgeous. I think they look stunning. I think they look beautiful. They look absolutely great. And with this eye makeup look, I feel like this really makes them like pop. So these lenses, they're very pretty. Would I wear them every day? Probably not. Just to be honest with you guys, maybe if I'm like doing a really dramatic eye and I want to take an Instagram picture. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, I do like a lot of makeup looks with my lenses on there. So here's my handle. Make sure you go check me out on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, and let me know. Like, I love to do more of my makeup looks on Instagram and take pictures. So let me know what kind of makeup looks you want to see, either over there or in the comment section down below over here. Let me know what you guys think of these lenses. Are you guys feeling these lenses? Do you like them? Do you not like them? Are you interested in them? I know a few people in my previous videos wanted to see a review of these, and I believe the cedar lenses from Color CL as well. So I got a bunch of them, so I'm going to review those. And I also got another pair of TTDI. I did a review. I'll link this over here. I was very surprised at the amount of views that I got on that video, because I was just I'm very thankful whenever you guys support, or you guys watch, or you guys engage, or you guys leave me a comment. It makes me keep on making these videos for you guys and trying to improve and get better with each video. So I really do appreciate the support. Now let's talk about what I repurchased them. Now let me just say, I love this concept where you can get 5 lenses basically for the almost like for the price of one. I love it, especially for those who are just trying out color contacts and maybe you don't really know what kind of look you're going for yet and you want to experiment with a few contacts. I think this idea is awesome. I hope they do like a green series. I hope they do like a hazel series. I just hope they keep these series going, because I think this was a fantastic idea. As I mentioned before, they have the gray series and they also have the brown series on their website. Make sure you check out the description box down below. I put a link to their website. Check it out. Let me know if you have the brown series. What do you think about the brown series? Are you interested in getting the brown, or are you interested in getting the gray? So I'm going to also review another pair. Oh, let me know down below with a comment, which pair do you want me to review next? Do you want me to review the creamy gray, the creamy Luna, the cloud gray, or the romance gray? Let me know down below which ones you want me to review next, and I promise I will make a video and put it up for you tomorrow. So let me know in the comment section. Stop the video, go down there right now, and let me know which ones you want to see next. I'm very interested to see what you guys are gonna say. For me, I would repurchase them. I do love the concept. Would I maybe wear these again? Probably not. These are not, they're too opaque for me, and they like pop, I guess you could say, a little too much for my taste. But if you guys have, I was just gonna say that earlier, if you guys have dark brown eyes and you're looking for a finish like these, you're gonna love these. These are like awesome. These are gonna be awesome and amazing for you. I think you're really gonna love them. If you have light eyes like mine, just keep in mind they're very opaque, so they're gonna cover what your natural eye color is. So that's just a heads up. And they're just a little bit thicker than, I would say, their creamy collection, because I have their creamy brown. You guys know how much I love those lenses. I talk about them all the time. They are my go-to favorite natural lenses, and these definitely feel a little bit thicker. It's not a bad thing, but I'm just noticing like they just feel a little bit thicker. So, oh, let me tell you guys. So Color CL, I'll show you guys my Instagram picture right here. Color CL actually reposted me on Instagram, so I was super excited. I was like, oh yes, finally. I've been raving about your lenses for like months now. So I was super happy. Thank you so much, Color CL, for reposting one of my pictures. I was super happy, and you guys like some of my pictures, so I was super happy. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more pics and clips as usual, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know which lenses you want to see next from this great series. And as usual, thank you for all the love and support. It really does mean a lot to me. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That also helps me out a lot, and I appreciate that as well. And of course, follow me on my socials. I usually put them throughout my video. Hit that red subscribe button and become part of the family, of course. And I will see you all soon. Bye.
This is not forever. Folks changing like the weather. Cold, weird, and all around. Toxic people being severed, like leaves falling in September.